the solution to this example. So what we want is, if I type a number in, for example, if I type 100,198, I need this here to tell me that there's a problem. The way we're going to do that is we're going to say, please Excel, look at what that number is and compare it to all the numbers in this column and tell me how many times you see it. So we'll just go to the top so we can see it from here. So I'm going to use a COUNTIFS initially just to get the numbering, the counting. So we'll do a COUNTIFS. I know the criteria I'm looking for is whatever's in here. Where must Excel count those items? So I'm going to highlight all of these. And because this is meant to prevent future problems, I'm actually going to tell it to go all the way to here. Put the dollar signs on. When I say OK, you'll see it gives me a count. So it's telling me that this number already exists. I'm going to just copy this down. And you'll see it's gone all the way down there. So already it's warned us there's a couple of issues. But more importantly, if someone comes here now and, for example, enters 100, 170, when they click enter, you'll see immediately a 2 appears there. Now that's quite useful, and you can actually stop here because this is quite clear what's happening. However, if we wanted to make it a bit more user-friendly, we have the word OK or duplicate warning. And what I may do is around this COUNTIF, I'll type if, open brackets, if that COUNTIF is bigger than 1, then we're going to say duplicate warning, otherwise say OK. So when I copy it and I paste it all the way down, you'll see it tells us duplicate warning and OK. Now because of the way we set it up, when there are zeros, it also says OK, which makes sense. And only if someone comes here and types, for example, that number, will we get a new warning. If you had used, for example, is it equal to 1, then the risk is that the zeros would then give a warning. So you just have to think a little bit carefully about how you set up the if function.